Hello, welcome to Bharat Reselling. Sell your products to 16,000 resellers and 2,325 retail stores across India. To get started, register as a seller with us. Now, let's see how to register as a seller on Bharat Reselling. To register, first search for bharatreselling.com on Google or in your preferred browser. Then, open the bharatreselling.com website. Once you are on our website, click the Become a Seller option in the top right corner. Next, you will see a window called Seller Register. In that form, enter the following details: store name, seller name, mobile number, store email, preferred password, city, state, country, PIN code, address, pickup address. Then, provide your payment details such as account number, IFSC code, account holder name, UPI ID, PAN number, Aadhaar number, GST number. Next, attach your GST document, image or PDF, by clicking the Choose File option. Once you have filled in all the details, click on Submit. Thank you for registering as a seller with us. Within 48 hours, our team will review your documents and verify your account. You will also receive a call from our support executive. Once verified, your account details will be shared via WhatsApp and email, and you can start uploading your products. You can check our next video to learn how to upload products. Start selling today and earn more profits with Bharat Reselling.